In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an existing draft marketing campaign, tracking sequence, and verify that it was successfully distributed. We'll be working from the main dashboard, and the goal is to take a draft campaign that has already been prepared, confirm that all required targeting sections are complete, send it, and then verify that the tracking data starts updating correctly. The process is straightforward, but it's important to move carefully so nothing is missed before the campaign goes live. Begin by going to your master site dashboard and opening the folder views where your campaign lists are stored. Once you're there, select the existing draft marketing campaign tracking sequence you want to send. If you have multiple campaigns with similar names saved in the same location, take an extra moment to confirm that you are opening the correct draft version. This simple check can help you avoid sending the wrong campaign by mistake. After the draft opens, review the required target criteria sections. You'll need to make sure all 4 green checkmark sections are complete, 2 from, subject, and content. These 4 areas show that the campaign includes the core information needed for delivery. Start with the To section and confirm that the intended audience or recipient list is properly assigned. Then move to the From section and verify that the sender identity is filled in correctly. After that, check the subject field to make sure a subject line is present. Finally, review the content section and confirm that the full message body is included and ready to send. As you go through each section, look for the green checkmark status. That visual confirmation tells you the platform recognizes the section as complete. If even one section is missing information, the campaign may not be ready for distribution, so it's a good idea to do a quick final review before continuing. Once all 4 sections are complete and marked with green checkmarks, go to the top right of the application screen and click Send. This takes you to the final confirmation stage, which is there to help prevent accidental distribution. A modal pop-up box will then appear asking you to confirm the send action. Click the Send Now confirmation button to proceed. At that point, the system will begin processing the campaign for distribution. After sending, remain on the platform and watch the update